Today we're at school in Belgium. The school is part of an educational group which is responsible for over 20 school campuses and 100 buildings in Brussels. Their major challenge was to centralise the various building systems into one intuitive overarching building management system. And that's where Loxone came into play. Their ambition is to use Loxone as a universal building management system for all the buildings within the school group, making everything uniform so that it's easy to use for staff and maintenance personnel.
Op éénzelfde manier te gaan automatiseren, zodat het gebruik voor personeel en onderhoudsmensen heel eenvoudig wordt.
We are dealing with a building that was constructed in 2 phases, and each part has its own substation with its own building management system. One of those systems is now broken down. The building management system primarily controlled the heating, which was our biggest challenge and the main reason we ultimately chose to work with Loxone. We're facing a large number of problems. In particular, the documentation of the previous project became a costly and time-consuming issue to unravel. Loxone offered an appropriate solution for this. On the one hand, through the one-wire technology, which allowed us to easily integrate temperature sensors, and on the other hand, through the Belimo tree interface, which made it very simple to control all Belimo devices.
Apparaten van Belimo konden gaan aansturen.